Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, so thank you for watching. If you are liking the videos, please share them, subscribe to the channel, and press that bell icon for further notification. This is a general timeless reading for the collective, mainly focused on your current relationship. So take only what resonates and leave the rest. Meanwhile, if you're interested in one-on-one personal reading, so you can always contact me for further inquiries. Okay. So let's check out what's going on here. So evidently you are going through some kind of emotional pain and that betrayal or a heartbreak. So there's this emotional hurt, that sorrow within this relationship you are in. So it could represent, recent or maybe your past wounds. So misunderstandings and maybe a breakup or that emotional disconnection is visible here definitely. So pain may still be, influencing your current dynamics if about this is about your past relationship. Also, we have abandonment issues here. So, isolation, feeling left out in the cold. That insecurity is visible here. So, maybe one or both of the person, maybe feeling that emotionally unsupported or distant here. So, this card often, shows a relationship going through that rough patch. So, neglect and that lack of communication or, that hardship is shown here. Also, you have this new beginning opportunities coming for you. So you have to, walk forward for that stability and groundedness, despite that emotional challenges you're facing. There is potential for a new stable phase in your life. So this card shows that, if effort is made, a new solid foundation can be rebuilt or may begin, a new offer or maybe, a new practical step forward could restore that balance in your relationship. So if this is about your current situation, so you must take those steps, and work upon things. But if you have left that part and moving forward, so there's definitely scope for new things to come in. Also, the next card shows that joy and celebration. So definitely that unions, reunions happening. And this also points to that reconciliation maybe in your past relationship. If you have parted your ways, so it's there is scope for reconciliation. Okay. And healing definitely happening through community or even celebrations after that period of hardships. So it suggests that friends, maybe social support, you have that moral support, or you share a few your personal things with a few friends of yours, your close one. So that joyful experience could help you to pass this situation here. So your relationship definitely seem to be moving from a space of the pain and emotional disconnection towards a potential new chapter of healing and joy for you. Okay. Also we have this another deck cards. So this has that emotional pain is clearly here, likely from that betrayal or miscommunication. So maybe one person appear emotionally least bothered or completely detached, on the surface level. But deep down, there's unspoken grief is there, or that fear of vulnerability is definitely there. It remains. So we have this confront card here, okay, and least bothered. So it say tells us that for facing hard truths and those wounds that both of you and the other person may be avoiding. So this is time to confront your dark sides. This isn't just about the other person. It's also about confronting your own pain. Okay, so expectations, your own inner wounds. So face them, and you need to clear those things to walk forward. Okay. Also with the a blessing in disguise and receive card, so definitely new beginning, it resonates with your pentacle card. So new beginning is possible for you only if you are open to receiving healing and that love or even an apology maybe. So you may be offered something tangible here, maybe a conversation, gesture, or maybe a new chapter that feels grounding. Okay, so a blessing in disguise definitely suggests that the heartbreak may actually lead to something better for you in your life. Okay, either a strong bond or personal freedom and that growth. Okay, so what feels like a setback now might redirect you towards something that is more aligned with you, actually. Okay. Also, we have got this beautiful card of music here. So definitely, that three of cups plus that music and this blessing in disguise. The music could resonate with you, and literally that heals you. So it can work as a healer for you. So listen to your favorite music here. Either that uh, emotional release may happen through that, or an old memory may trigger. So this is like a tool to reconnect to your feelings. Okay, so this card shows here healing through art, some kind of expression, and that yeah, hanging out with that community. Okay, your group of friends, maybe your well wishes. So also three of cups is lean into those friendships and those laughters and those memories. So support and emotional safety are the key themes here. So what the message for you is, acknowledge that pain and whatever abandonment you're feeling at this moment, that isolation. Even if someone has already left, okay. So you don't have to stop there, and you could have a heart to heart conversation. The confront card is there, okay. So rather than pretending everything is fine, you can just, or being least bothered here, a thing like that. You can just speak things out and confront your truth here. Okay, so be open to unexpected blessings here. Sometimes breakdowns lead to good breakthroughs. Okay, so to gain something good, we have to go through pass through something worse. So definitely that's the sign here. Okay, so maybe you can use music or some kind of creativity, any kind of art you find interesting, and reconnect emotionally with yourself. Okay, and please be open to receive, because you have this beautiful receive card here. So what's being offered to you, love, maybe a closure. So take that with open hands, even if there is this closure and someone is walking out. Okay, because a new chance, a new chapter is definitely opening up for you. So don't block it with that fear and being isolated. Okay, or your own pride, maybe. So just be ready to face any such unresolved issues or those hidden truths if you're not aware of them yet. Okay, so this aligns directly with your three of swords and five of pentacles. Okay, so confront card is telling that avoiding that pain will only delay your healing. So there may be unspoken truth or denial or suppressed emotions of your own. Okay, so it's crucial to deal with them directly now. Okay, and don't try to cross them. Okay, uh, if you will your emotional that healing is possible through music. So feelings are being expressed indirectly or are hard to articulate right now for you. So music could be a bridge between the that silence and healing for you in this relationship. Okay, if one person is acting least bothered, okay, and maybe acting differently, or that not emotionally mature, so possibly they're using it as their defense mechanism here. So it could reflect that emotional avoidance, or even that ego getting in the way of their expressing themselves. So it could also be a blessing in disguise for you, the pain or current challenge in your relationship. Okay, that difficulty is a part of a great lesson for you, and you are being definitely redirected into better path. Okay, so what seems like a loss or conflict right now might be what brings healing and that clarity for you in the coming future. So this definitely confirms that a situation will ultimately benefit you. So whether through reconciliation may happen, or your own personal growth here. Okay, so be ready to receive, encourage yourself to open yourself emotional, especially to new love, maybe, or understanding in your current relationship, or even if you need any help from maybe your friends. So it links beautifully to your ace of pentacles and the three of cups. So once that hard truth is confronted, there is support and abundance waiting for you that you must be assured of. Okay, so spirit is asking you to let go of that control and that trust in divine timing. You must know that. Okay. And emotional support is definitely coming up for you. So your relationship, that is going through that phase of that deep emotional pain and disconnection. So someone may be, doing that to you. So maybe you're feeling left out, but you are now being, guided by your higher self. So confront the issues directly. Okay. Open to receiving new love and maybe healing. Okay. And see that, this experience is truly a blessing in disguise for you. So there's this strong potential for a new beginning for you. And especially, with support from your friends, all that music if you listen to. So sometimes music play a good role in, lifting ourselves up. So definitely, allow the truth to come in, and uh, be open to healing. Okay. Even in this pain, uh, you are being guided into something better. Okay. So open to receiving love, clarity, and the joy again. Okay. So that's what I have for you right now. Hope you will resonate with it. Thank you for watching. Meet you next time. Namaste.